What if I told you that you can set up one VPN and make it work on almost any network and country without complicated steps? So this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up Ardita Tunnel VPN for a secure and a stable connection. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up Ardita Tunnel VPN so it can work across different countries and mobile networks. Ardita Tunnel is a powerful VPN tool that allows users to create secure connections using SSH and custom configurations. If you allow or if you follow this tutorial carefully, you will be able to connect safely and protect your internet traffic on most networks. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to like the video, and if you get any problem, the comment section is open. So as our culture at Milestake, let us open Google Play Store and we download the application. We are going to go where we search from, and then we are going to search Ardita Tunnel VPN. Then wait for a few seconds until you see this VPN application in your results. Download and install the application, and after open the app after installation. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for informational, research and educational purposes only. So our users are requested to follow the community guidelines. Always follow your local network policies and service providers' terms and conditions when using VPN applications. So guys, we're going to come right here. I want to show you something. First clear the app data and then check continue, and then after reopen the application. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Now let us go and have later. Then after, let us come right here. Then we are going to come where we have check for updates. This method requires a running data bundle, so users are requested to purchase at least 15 MBs. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So we are going to come where you have the auto server, and then after you can choose any of those servers, but you can base on the server that is near to our country's location. So guys, let us continue to the auto select server so that it will automatically guess and connect to a server that is fully optimized for a stable and a secure connection. Let us come where we have consent so that we can allow this application to give us some advice so that it can the services can be kept still for free, and the connection can be still kept a stable one. So let us come right here where we have the all country TCP, and then after we are going to come where we have all tricks. Then you're going to go where we search from right here, and then you're going to search your country's name or network. But I recommend my subscribers and lovely viewers, so that I recommend you guys to search for UDP servers, but you can choose a UDP server from your country. so that you can experience a fast and a stable internet connection. So in this case, let me try the Airtel Uganda UDP, but you can choose your country. Then after you connect, then allow the VPN service. These are the tips if it fails to connect. So make sure you toggle airplane mode on and then off. Make sure you restart the application and make sure you clear the app data. As you see, it has connected successfully, as I did some of those few tips, and those are the GBs I've used so far. So guys, I sign out.